and I'm one of the consultants of ENZ Education Consultancy Services. And you're just right in time as I am going to our Laoag office located in 5th floor, Maritoni building. And I'm going to answer some few questions for you guys. So let's go! Hi again! Finally, we're here at 5th floor Maritoni building alongside Baccarat Road here in Laoag City. So here in our Laoag office, we don't cater to walk-in applicants. Okay, so we are strictly by appointment only. So if you want to talk to our consultants, book on this QR code below for an appointment. So let's go! So here is our reception area where Sir Jess and Mark can greet you. Say hi, guys!
Hi! So Kinah, I have a question in mind. What are your services?
She's one of the consultants here at ENZ. Maybe she can answer that question. What are the services we offer here in ENZ Education Consultancy Services?
Hi guys! So we offer student visa and tourist visa in Australia, Canada, and New Zealand. Also, we offer subsequent visa and open work permit for your dependent. So aside from that, we also assist in your extension and graduate visa.
That's right. Those are the services that we offer here at ENZ. Thanks, Alida. So here is our consultations room where we assist or consult, or if a client book an appointment, we meet them here.
So I have another question, Kinah.
What's that?
How much is the overall cost?
So the overall cost, so that's a great question because we have like a lot of inquiries about that. So the overall cost ranges from 200 to 500,000, but take note that that depends on what application you are applying for. So if you want to dig more or have an in-depth discussion about this one, book a free assessment or book an appointment with our qualified education counselors so they can discuss that matter with you. So next one, we have our back office where mostly our staffs are located.
So I have another question. How can I start my application?
So here's LJ. She can tell you more about that. She's also one of the consultants here. LJ, how can they start their application?
Well, it's simple. Just fill out our online assessment form by scanning this QR code right here. With this, we can assess your qualification and provide you the best study options based on your educational and work experience.
So that's right, guys. So what are you waiting for? Book an assessment and appointment with us now. So it seems like the meeting room is not available right now, so we won't go in there. But Ian, do you have a question in mind?
Yes. Do I need to pay everything at once?
So here's Jeremy. He's also one of the consultants here at ENZ. Maybe he can answer the question. Do they need to pay all the fees at once?
No, because we offer staggered payment.
Meaning, it's not a one-time payment.
So here, you can refer with our payment scheme guide for your future application.
That's right. Thanks, Jeremy, for the question.
Bye.
So Ian, another question?
Yes. Is there a consultation fee?
Oh, that's a great question. So here again, another consultant is Ruben. So Ruben, can you answer, do we have a consultation fee?
No, our consultation is free of charge. So what are you waiting for? Book your appointment or message us via Facebook to start your application.
That's right. Thanks, Ruben. Lovely air.
Any advice to our viewers?
So that's the last question, right?
Yes.
So to our viewers who are an international student aspirants, so please book an assessment or an appointment with ENZ Education Consultancy Services right now so we can assist you on your study abroad dreams. Bye!